an aluminum foil fucking ball. Can anyone identify a larger waste of my fucking time? God damn it. Look at all these fucking comments! Yeah, you see, this is how I know that the world is ending. Probably within weeks. And it all starts with this weird Japanese trend where they ball up tinfoil, pound it out with some hammers, sand it down, and then polish it up. Really? Like, I've got nothing better to do. And to up the bullshit a little bit more, as you know, we just moved into our new house. It's not finished. This is a temporary studio here. Nothing's even set up. This is just like boxes of bullshit that we've got to unpack. Since this project is gonna take me, I don't know, all fucking day, night, tomorrow, the next day, I'm gonna get started on it. I got all the shit, sand, papers, and gloves, and aluminum foils, and polishes, and all this bullshit. Hammers. Step 1, aluminum foil. I got 400 feet of it. Alright, I think this is enough. I don't know if it is or not, but... Hold on, I gotta watch a fucking video here. Is this thing even, is this big enough? Oh, it doesn't need to be this fucking big. Hold on. Here we go. This is it. Boom. Next fucking step. Get yourself a mallet. Is there fucking sand in here? And this is it. You just do this for a real fucking long time. Ow, oh, gloves. Oh, yeah. Whew. Workout. Oh, shit. This is just the fucking beginning. I'm 1 minute in and I just want to fucking stop. This is what they all came to see. Whether or not you would fuck it up or not. That's really the whole, that's what you're here for. Do I let them down? Do I succumb to the demise? No, not this time. Not this time, internet. If these little fucking Japanese kids can do it, I can fucking do it. Like, it's not getting any rounder. It's just I keep on hitting it and it keeps on getting weirder looking. Oh, God. This is my own hell. What do you think? Is that fucking close enough? No. Looks like fucking shit. Alright, switch over to a smaller hammer. This still sucks. It's gotta be perfectly fucking round, Rob. This up. This fucking rolls around, right? This is fucking good enough. No, it isn't. What is round? Is it just all a matter of how we look at it, or is it a matter of how it is? Look, that's not bad. That's terrible.
One eternity later.
Next step, sandpaper. All right, here we go. Oh, that's actually looking pretty good right away. Ow, god damn it. Just like sprained my fucking wrist. This is the worst thing that ever happened to me. Why'd you do this to me? That doesn't look fucking good at all. God damn it. Fucking pounding that little fucking bullshit here. You knew this would happen. You fucking sadistic sons of bitches. Now I'm not gonna fucking stop. Oh, I'm gonna fucking beat these little fucking Japanese kids at their own fucking game. It's getting shinier and it's getting later. Holy shit. I've been at this now for approximately 5 hours. This is real fucking dumb. I don't know why everybody's fucking using this goddamn hand sanding bullshit. I've got a fucking sander. That's what I need. This is fucking stupid. It's definitely in one of these boxes over here. God damn it. What the fuck is this? Okay, there we are. Yeah! This thing's gonna save us a fucking bunch of time. This is gonna be fucking easy. What?
Not using that inside, are you?
No?
Sounds like you are.
I was just testing it to see if it worked.
Okay, don't do that inside. It's a brand new house.
Okay. Alright, yeah, I mean, we're outside, but where I really want to take you is into the new ThreadBanger studio basement. It's not 100% finished yet, but it's getting there. Yeah, buddy, we got electricity down here. We got to put on our gas mask, dust mask. You know what we say around here, safety is the number 3 priority. Here we go. I gotta put on the sanding thing first. That's probably a good idea. There we go. Now we're in business. Woo! Okay, gotta wear gloves. All right. Did I mention this was possibly the stupidest project? this looks fucking terrible. Maybe a finer sandpaper. All right, we got a different grit over here. Oh yeah, this is shining it up real nice. I am fucking killing it right now. I'd like to see Rob try this and fail. Well, you know what? Boom. Yeah, right back at you. Not too fucking shabby. I've now been working on this project for approximately 7.5 hours. Round enough for me. Check that out, huh? That's smooth as a fucking baby's dick. Wait, what? Oh, as a baby's bottom. That's what it is. Okay, all right. Time to polish this fucking thing up. Get this show on the road. All right, so this is what we're looking at. We are now going well into the evening, and we're looking at about 10 hours. We're trying to shape this fucking piece of shit aluminum foil ball. It's, you know, it's round, it's circular, it rolls, it's smooth-ish. Yeah, the next and last step is just to polish this piece of shit, which is pretty much this show, this whole show. I got, where the f is it? Here it is. I got some Brasso, which works for all metals, apparently copper, aluminum, pewter. Pewter? I barely know her! Oh, shit. We put a little bit of this on here, and apparently this does something. We're gonna find out. All right, so this is the before. Let's see if anything f***ing happens here. I don't know if this is fucking doing anything at all. This is making it dirtier. Here we go. Here we go. Towel might actually work a little bit better. Oh yeah, that's what you want. This polish is like fucking magic. I mean, that is getting a shine on it. Right? Look at that. Holy shit. I can see myself in it. Killed it. That is pretty good. To all of you that doubted me, boom. Not as much of a failure as you thought, huh? Damn. Spherical, shiny, aluminum foily. It only took me about 15 hours, but looking good. Do me a favor, you want to see me take on more of these projects, leave your suggestions for future episodes down in the comments below. Also, you see that subscribe button down there and that bell? You need to click that bell, otherwise you're not going to know when crazy successful videos like this go up on the channel. Give us a like while you're down there, and we'll see you around here. We'll see you around here next time, the next DIY show extravaganza. I've been making this video for way too long today. I'm done. Over it.